Welcome back to the Mackay Warehouse. We've recently undertaken some exciting new changes that are showing benefits to our customers and stakeholders. I'd like to thank the customers and stakeholders for the patience shown during this time, and I'm happy to report that the upgrades have gone incident-free.
We're excited to welcome you back and give you an overview of the new operation, how this operation looks and the positive impact it's having day to day. The time lapse will show you the beginning of the project to the finish of the project, and we'll show you the positive changes that we've made. The revitalisation of the conveyor was successful, and we've already seen a marked improvement in warehouse safety and traffic flow. Our conveyor and the new packing processing area is already on its way to achieving a projected 25% increase in efficiency. Staff are finding it easier to process parts safely and prepare your orders for delivery. The new high-rise and very narrow aisle configuration has provided the targeted doubling of rack storage capacity, and our staff are adjusting well to the safer and easy-to-use torrent trucks. Finally, we're constantly reviewing our inventory profiles to provide the best access and availability of stock within our new layout. I'd like to thank the Mackay Warehouse team first and foremost, the project team, the Brisbane support team, and also our business partners for the successful implementation of the changes within the Mackay Warehouse.
I'd like to thank you, the customer, for your continued support while we've undertaken these improvements. This investment in our business reinforces our commitment to improving our service offering to you. We're hoping you, the customer, are starting to see the benefit of these changes. As we embed the new operation, we remain open to your feedback and are keen to understand your experiences as we go forward. On behalf of Hastings Deering, again, I'd like to thank you and have a safe day.